Tip 1. Egg custard. First, I prepare a heat-resistant glass bowl. Next, I place a tortilla at the bottom of the bowl so that it fits snugly against the sides. Setting that aside for now, I wash and finely chop a few sprigs of cilantro. Then I arrange the cilantro on top of the tortilla. To make the dish even more flavorful, I wash and slice 3 tomatoes. Then arrange the slices on top of the cilantro. Next, I add 2 slices of bacon. Now I prepare 3 fresh eggs and crack them on top. I season with a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Then, add another sprinkle of fresh cilantro on top for extra freshness and a vibrant touch. Then sprinkle a layer of shredded cheese to make the dish even more flavorful and visually appealing. But I didn't stop there. I added a second layer of tomatoes to make the dish even more flavorful. I cracked 3 more eggs on top. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, I'll carefully place the dish into the air fryer. Now I'll bake the dish at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. After about 5 minutes, I opened the air fryer and sprinkled a layer of cheese over the surface, then continued baking. While waiting, I placed a pot on the stove, added about 500 milliliters of water, covered it, and brought it to a boil. When the water began to boil, I removed the lid and placed a strainer on top so that the bottom of the strainer was partially submerged in the hot water. Next, I gently crack an egg into the strainer. I reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. During this process, the steam from the water helps the egg white slowly set and gently envelop the yolk. Now, I'll transfer the poached egg to a plate. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Add a light sprinkle of black pepper. Then, I'll gently cut it open, revealing the silky, golden yolk flowing out for a beautiful finishing touch. By now, 15 minutes have passed. I take the dish out of the oven, and immediately the rich, creamy aroma of eggs, cheese, and bacon fills the kitchen. The lightly golden crust, the tender eggs, combined with juicy tomatoes and a layer of melted cheese, create an incredibly appealing dish. Just take a bite, and you'll experience the perfect harmony between the crispy tortilla base, the rich filling, and the fresh, aromatic scent of cilantro. Tip 3. Egg stuffed bread rolls. First, I place a pot on the stove and add about 1 liter of water. Then, I carefully add 5 fresh eggs. Cover the pot with a lid and let them boil until they're fully cooked. While waiting for the eggs to cook, I take out 6 slices of bread. I place each slice of bread on a cutting board and use a rolling pin to roll it out evenly, making each slice thin and flat, but be careful not to roll it too thin or the bread will tear. After the bread has been rolled out, I fold the 2 diagonal corners of each slice together and secure them with a toothpick to shape them. Once finished, I place a skillet on the stove, add just enough oil, and heat it over medium heat until the oil is hot. Using tongs, I carefully place each piece of bread into the pan and fry until golden brown on both sides, ensuring the bread is crispy and has a beautiful golden color. With the bread perfectly golden and crisp, I'll move it to a cutting board and let it cool slightly. Once the bread is fried, the eggs should be fully cooked. I remove the eggs and place them in a bowl of cold water to make peeling easier. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Then, I peel all 5 eggs. Next, I prepare a large zip-top bag and place all the peeled eggs inside. I add a few sprigs of finely chopped cilantro, a pinch of salt, black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. I gently squeeze the bag with my hands to mash the eggs and fully incorporate the seasonings, creating a smooth, creamy, and flavorful filling. Now I use scissors to cut a corner of the bag, then squeeze the egg filling into the center of the crispy fried bread slices. With everything perfectly cooked, I'll arrange the pieces on a serving plate, ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it, today's final dish is complete. Simple, crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and incredibly easy to make at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.